In this video, I'm going to show you how you can close tabs on your Arc Search browser using your smartphone. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So I have my Arc browser here. I'll tap on it to open. And if I swipe this down, now you can see I have several tabs here. I'll tap on them to open. And here we have quite a number of them. So if you have many of these open tabs, sometimes it might slow down your search browser or your Arc browser, and the best thing to do is to close them. However, Arc browser does not provide a straightforward method to close them, but at the end of the day, we still have a way to wipe them all or even to close them one by one. To do this, just go to the tab you wish to close. For instance, we want to close this, and then swipe it up and it will be gone. Once you swipe one, you have an option here to clear all the tabs. If you want to clear all of them, you can just tap on clear all tabs here, or if you just want to clear one by one, you can continue by swiping them. So for us to clear all of them, I'll just tap on clear all tabs and they are gone. So that's how you can clear or close tabs on your Arc Search browser app on your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.